Here's another toy that I got repaired finally. The Pan Am plane. It's cleaned up. It looks like new, although it's a little bit yellowed and it has the missing battery cover and the missing things on the sides, but it's okay. It will go a bit slow. I'm gonna say it because of the because of the batteries that are dead, because this thing had me really fucking angry. I would reassemble it, it would get stuck, it would not work anymore. I took it apart, I moved a couple of axes, I replaced the motor, nothing. So I put the original motor back in, and it was all because of the stupid relay that was touching a gear. That was it. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, another repair done, and we got more to show because I actually made a few other repairs. I'm gonna show later on. But yeah, this has been Sonic Leader. Thank you for watching, and bye.